Good morning. I don't know how this stuff keeps getting on this chair, but it makes the intro more interactive, so I'm not upset with it. How you doing? Today is a beautiful day. The sun is glistening through the windows. This is golden orange color, and it's just bringing joy into my heart. That and the fact that Seagate has just gone on a run. In the aftermarkets, we have jumped up about $2.50. We are about 20 cents away from our take profits. Yeah, it's exciting. It's an exciting morning, right, babe? Mm-hmm. Now, as for Seagate, spell right there, I'm not sure how I'm going to go about this. I've been toying with the idea of possibly like drawing my hourly trend line and selling when the 15-minute graph or chart or candle breaks that trend line, because that would increase our profits. But yeah, I'm excited to see how this plays out. Market's open. We have a huge gap from yesterday to today. We run past the take profits at 63.52, but we're patient. We noticed that when we look to the left that there's about a 20-cent gap above and below the weekly resistance. So we put a order to sell 20 cents under the weekly resistance, which is $64. That gives us we actually took profits at 63.80, and boom, just like that, 3 minutes into the market, we are winners. Oh, it feels good. Feels good, let me tell you. Ooh. So just like that, one trade, we have turned this 2-loss week of upsetness into a green day, which now makes it a green week. Yeah. Let's see what else we can find. Alright, so we took a look at our weekly watch list and we don't see anything that is piquing our interest. And if we take a look back at Seagate in a 3-minute, I'm glad we got out. Mostly because if you look here, we had to drop all the way back down to the 63.52, which was where our take profits were, and that's where I would have taken profits if we dropped to. So by actually checking our greed and just looking to the left, checking our greed, we were able to take several dollars more, or like 0.5% more than we would have. And what if this part right here that we missed out on, that's okay, because that's not our money anyways. This part in that we gained, that's awesome, because that wasn't our money anyways. And if we would have stayed in, we would have checked off of this, bounced off this support, and we would have missed out on that little bit extra bit of change. And now that that's over, I'm like a big believer in giving thanks and being appreciative of all the, like, how fortunate you are or blessed you are. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you for this win. Thank you for the little bit of extra change, and thank you for the experience. Now, one second. But yeah, giving thanks isn't like a religious thing, it's a life thing. I mean, think about it. Whenever something bad happens in our life, we dwell on it. You get cut off in traffic, our coworker or boss has something to say, or criticism, our mom or dad said the wrong thing and kind of got under our skin. We dwell on those things we do it so much, but we don't dwell on the positives and how fortunate we are in our lives. So in my opinion, one of the reasons why I'm so positive, I believe, is because I am so grateful. I do take the moment at least once a day to say thank you for all the blessings, for how fortunate I am, and just how lucky and how well I really have it. Things aren't perfect. Life never is perfect. And the better you have it, the harder it is to see that you don't need as much and how lucky you really are. But I mean, we all are lucky for one reason or another. We're all fortunate, and it's important to say thank you for that. I don't know how I went from stocks to talking about that. Anyways, you like my haircut? Huh? Steph told me yesterday I look like a vampire. So I figure if I want to look like a vampire, I might as well get a new haircut and look like a stylish vampire. Does that make sense? I don't know. It's 11 a.m. I don't really see anything going on in the stock market. So yeah, I don't really see anything going on in the stock market. And because of that, I think this is a good place to just kind of wind things down. I don't think I'm gonna do any trading today, seeing how it's Friday, and the markets are gonna be closed this weekend. I don't really want to get into any trades with that going on. I wouldn't mind if I was already in a trade and holding it through, but I don't really like the idea of jumping into a trade where a whole weekend worth of news can happen. So I think I'm going to hit the gym, enjoy the rest of the day, and also clean up, because tomorrow, which is today when this video gets released, is actually Chinese New Year, and it's kind of good luck to actually have a clean space, a clear mind for the upcoming year. So yeah, in the comments below, let me know what you are grateful for. And while you're down there, hit the like button, subscribe, stay positive, and don't forget to do amazing things.